I've tried everything, every single hack in the book to reclaim my focus from this device. A minimal launcher? Check. A monochrome display? Check. Uninstalling every distracting app? Check, check, check. But nothing seemed to truly work. It felt like I was battling an invisible force, constantly drawn back to that glowing rectangle, until a simple solution changed everything. This little unassuming object right here. This is my secret weapon, my pocket notebook. It's nothing fancy, just a few pages, small enough to literally fit anywhere. It's cheap, so I don't baby it. I've dropped it again and again and again. But it always works. It does one thing and it does it perfectly. It's my quick capture system, a place to dump any thought, idea, reminder, or fleeting distraction that pops into my head before my mind automatically screams, check your fucking phone. This is not my daily diary or my more structured journal. Those have their place. This pocket notebook is different. It's purely for those spontaneous thoughts. The I need to remember this or oh, that's a good idea for later. For those things. Instead of instinctively pulling out my phone, getting sucked into notifications, I pull out this. A quick note and the thought is captured. It's out of my head and I can return to whatever I was doing. Completely phone free. No endless scrolling, no tempting apps, just pure thought capturing. It's raw, it's messy, and that's precisely why it works. And now for the edge cases. Those moments where even the notebook isn't quite enough to break the habit. I have one more trick up my sleeve. I have actually set a daily limit, 15 minutes of intentional phone use. That's it. It's not some software lock, it's not an app. It's just a personal rule, a commitment. And to really force myself to stick to it, I told people, my friends, my family, and now you guys watching this. This creates accountability. Knowing others know about my rule makes me think twice before I break it. It's really powerful. And the benefits? Oh, they are truly terrible. Now I actually have to look people in the eyes when I'm talking to them. Imagine that. Real human connection, uninterrupted. I have to wait in lines patiently. No more instant distraction, just eternal suffering. Which surprisingly has led me to observing things I would have never noticed before. Moments of quiet, moments of stillness, moments where my brain actually gets to breathe instead of being force-fed constant information. It's an uncomfortable adjustment at first, stepping away from that constant dopamine hit, but it's also incredibly liberating. So that's it. That's my story. It wasn't a fancy app or a digital detox guru. It was simple, old school pocket notebook. So if you are struggling like I was, maybe give it a try. Find your own simple tool. Thanks for watching. And now take a deep breath and go out for a fucking walk.